To change the Xfinity app language to English, start by opening the app and navigating to the Profile section. The Profile section is usually found in the top right corner and is represented by a silhouette icon. From the menu, select Accessibility, often denoted by an eye or wheelchair icon. Within the accessibility settings, locate the Language or App Language option. Choose English from the available languages, either US or UK variant, and confirm your selection. This process works on smartphones, tablets, and web browsers, and the app will refresh to display in English. The language settings are profile-based, ensuring personalized preferences for multi-user households. The app supports multiple languages, including English, Spanish, and French. If a selected language lacks translation for certain content, the app defaults to English. This feature aligns with accessibility standards like WCAG 2.1, enhancing usability for all users, including those using screen readers like VoiceOver on iOS or TalkBack on Android. Changes sync across devices linked to the same Xfinity account. The process is designed to be intuitive and comply with FCC regulations on accessible technology.